Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark and thank you so much for joining me tonight or today, wherever you're watching from. I am so glad to be with you or to host you today in this channel. I hope you're going to enjoy and come along with me. Today we're going to learn something else, and we're going to learn about guests and how we invite guests, or how we serve our guests, or anything to do with guests. The main point in this lesson, or the main word we are going to use in our sentences, is guest. How do we communicate with our guests at home? How do we refer to guests? How do we welcome guests in Kikuyu? Remember, don't forget to subscribe, to share, and also don't forget to comment down there. As usual, I want once again to appreciate everyone who has been loyal to this channel, and even for the new subscribers. We've been having a lot of new subscribers in the past. I so much appreciate, and I am so humbled that you chose to join this channel, and even you chose to be with me in this channel. I hope I can keep you entertained, or even I can deliver the right Kikuyu skills to you. So without wasting much time, let's continue ahead and let's start with the word guests. Now we're going to learn the first word, which is guests. How do we call guests in Kikuyu? How do we call guests in Kikuyu? Guests, okay. Our guests are called ageni. Ageni. Guests are called ageni. That is the plural form of guests. Now, let's say for example, if you want to mean one person, one guest, this is how you say it. Mogeni. 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 Mogeni, one guest. Ageni, many guests. Mogeni, ageni. Mogeni, ageni. Now, the second word we're going to learn is welcome. How do we say welcome in Kikuyu? Welcome is said like this. Wetwo ogeni. Wetwo ogeni. Wetwo ogeni means welcome. You're welcomed, or you are okay. Just saying you're welcomed. You're welcomed at home. Niwetetwo ogeni moshine wito. You're welcomed at home. Welcome at home. Gwetwo ogeni moshie. Moshie meaning home. Gwetwo ogeni meaning you're welcomed. Niwetetwo ogeni, you're welcomed. Now, let's say you want to say you're welcomed in a wedding. Niwetetwo ogeni ohikine. Niwetetwo ogeni ohikine. Gwetwo ogeni ohikine. Gwetwo ogeni means welcomed. You are welcomed. Ohiki, wedding. Niwetetwo ogeni ohikine. Niwetetwo ogeni ohikine. Ohikine, you are welcomed in that wedding, or at that wedding, or in that wedding. Now, let's say you want to tell someone you're welcomed in our church. Niwetetwo ogeni kanithaine wito. Niwetetwo ogeni kanithaine wito. You're welcomed in our church. Niwetetwo ogeni kanithaine wito. Kanithaine meaning church. Ine is like in the church. kanitha-inĩ in the church. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni kanitha-inĩ witũ. Witũ is our church possession. Now, let's say you want to say you're welcomed for coffee. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni kahũa. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni kahũa-inĩ. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni. You can say there are many ways to say that, but the best you can say, or the most that people will understand easily, nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũkanyue kahũa. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni, you are welcome. Mũkanyue kahũa. Mũkanyue is the act of drinking. Kahũa is coffee. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũkanyue kahũa. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũkanyue kahũa. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say, you are welcomed by Mr. and Mrs. Kamau. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni nĩ nyina na ithe wa Kamau. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni nĩ nyina na ithe wa Kamau. You're welcomed by Mr. and Mrs. Kamau. Nyina na ithe Kamau. Nyina na ithe wa Kamau. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say you are welcomed for a meeting or for the meeting. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũcemanio-inĩ. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũcemanio-inĩ. Mũcemanio-inĩ is the meeting. In the meeting. You have noticed I always have that ine. This is very common in Kikuyu language. So when you want to say in that something, inside something, it's called ine. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũcemanio-inĩ. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni mũcemanio-inĩ. Just give me 1 second. Remember also to have your cup of tea, a glass of a drink, or whatever you want, as it gets really one gets really thirsty while talking. Okay. Whew. I'm having my Kenyan tea with me. I hope I can show you too. I have this tea and I love having this and sipping it along our lesson. Now, we have learned a lot about being welcomed or welcomed to a certain function, to a certain place. Now we're going to go ahead, and the next thing we're going to learn is hold on. I wanted to still tell you some 2 or 3 things about being invited. Maybe you are being invited. You want to tell someone you are invited for our home warming. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni witũ mũciĩ kũhingũra nyũmba. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni witũ mũciĩ kũhingũra nyũmba. For the home warming. Nĩ wĩtĩtwo ũgeni kũhingũra nyũmba, or witũ mũciĩ kũhingũra nyũmba. Now, you can even say you are invited for you know, there is this function that we commonly have in Kikuyu, and this comes especially when a woman gives birth and the people come to see the small kid. So this is how you say it. It's not like a naming ceremony, but it's like welcoming the birth of the small baby to the world, or welcoming that human being in the society or in the community. Nimwetetwo, or you can say when you refer to many people, nimwetetwo ogeni, or you can say when you are referring to one person, newetetwo ogeni shaine wa mwana. Shaine wa mwana. Nimwetetwo ogeni shaine wa mwana. It's called shai wa mwana. Now, you have noticed I said shaine wa mwana. Shaine wa mwana, meaning for that function. Now, okay, we're going to go ahead, and the next thing you might also need, or you might always speak, is, for example, when is the function, or when are your guests supposed to come to that function? Now, let's say, for example, the guests ask, when is the wedding? When is the wedding? Ohiki newari. Ohiki newari. Ohiki newari. When is the wedding? Ohiki, which is wedding, newari, when. Now, maybe you want to ask, when is the meeting? Mushemanio newari. Mushemanio newari. Mushemanio newari. When is the meeting? When is the meeting? Mushemanio, which is meeting, newari, when. Maybe you want even to be specific enough and answer and say, the meeting is on the 2nd of May. Mushemanio ni wa mweri igere, mweri wa gatano, mwaka wa ngiri igere, mwaka wa ngiri igere, mirongo kenda na inyanya na kenda, mwaka wa ngiri igere, mirongo kenda, mirongo kenda, mirongo imwe na, sorry, I'm confusing myself. Well, when is the meeting? The meeting is on 2nd of May. The meeting is on 2nd of May. Mushemanio ni wa mweri igere, mweri wetano. Mweri wetano, mwaka wa ngiri igere, mirongo kenda na kenda. Now, we are going to go ahead and say, we are going to go to the next thing, which is, for example, when the guests ask, where is the function, or where are we coming to? Neko togoka. Neko togoka. Where are we coming to? Neko togoka. Where, neko, or you can even say, where is the wedding? Ohiki weko. Ohiki weko. Or you can even say or ask, where is the meeting? Mushemanio weko. Mushemanio weko. Mushemanio, we said, is meeting. Weko, where? Mushemanio weko. Let's say you want to be specific and say, the meeting is in Nyeri. Mushemanio we Nyeri. Mushemanio we Nyeri. Nyeri is a town in Kenya, and it's mostly dominated by Kikuyus, and it's found in Central Province. Now, the other thing you can use while you are referring to your guests is maybe you want to tell your guests, bring your friends with, or come along with your friends, or bring your friends, or come with your friends. This is how you say it. Mugoka narata. Mugoka narata. Come with your friends. Mugoka narata. Mugoka is like the act of coming with your friends. Na arata. Arata meaning friends. Mugoka na arata. Mugoka na arata. Or ukarehe arataku. Bring your friends along. Ukarehe, bring, the act of bringing along. Arata, aku. Arata, we said, are friends. Ukarehe arata aku. Aku are yours, your friends. Bring your friends. Bring your friends. You're telling someone, or you're telling the guest to bring his or her friends. Now, the second thing you can use is like when you're saying, you're telling your guests, bring presents. Bring presents, or come with presents. Mugoka na iheo. Mugoka na iheo. Mugoka na iheo. Bring presents. Mugoka, bring, na iheo. Iheo are gifts. Bring presents. Bring presents. Mugoka na iheo. Bring presents. Now, the other thing is, for example, when you want to say, please come in time, or please be punctual, or be in time, or please don't be late. Mugoka mutare asherere. Mugoka mutare asherere. Asherere is meaning don't be late. Don't be late, like the act of not being late. Asherere. Gusherero is being late. Now, for example, when I am saying that, I am referring to those guests. Mugoka mutare asherere. Mugoka mutare asherere. Or even sometimes you might hear in people saying, mukageria mukageria koiga mathaa. Mukageria koiga mathaa. Like, you should not be late. Instead, be punctual. Mukageria koiga mathaa. But the word, or the simplest you can use, is mugoka mutare asherere. Usherero is the act of being late. Mugoka is coming. Mugoka mutare asherere. Or you can say to one guest, don't be late. Ugoka utare mosherere. Ugoka utare mosherere. Mosherere. Now, the other thing is, now let's say, for example, you have your guests in the house or in your place, and you want to ask them what they want to eat, or what they'd like to eat, or what they'd like to drink. Now, this is how you say it. Mo konyua ke. Mo konyua ke. What would you like to drink? Or mureda korea ke. Mureda korea ke. But that sounds not really polite. I think the best polite way you can say is mo korea ke. Or you can even say, to be more and more polite, you can say gwe kirire ke. Gwe kirire ke. Or you can say Gwikirire irio iriku. Gwikirire irio iriku. Or you can say Okorea ke. What would you like to eat? Okorea ke. What would you like to eat? Okorea ke. Or you can say, what would you like to drink? Okonywa ke. Okonywa ke. Or you can say, when you are referring to many, mokonywa many, mokonywa ke. Now, if you are referring to many people and you want to tell them, to ask them, what would you like to eat? Mokorea, many people, mokorea ke. Now, we're going to go ahead, and the next thing you are going to ask your guests most probably is, should you warm the food for them, or would they like to eat warm or cold? Now, this is how you say it. Demo hioherie irio. Demo hioherie, should I warm the food? Demo hioherie irio. Demo hioherie irio. Should I warm the food? Or you can say, mohioherio irio. Mohioherio irio. Mohioherio is the act of warming the food. Irio is that food. Mohioherio irio. Mohioherio is when you are referring to a group of people, many guests. Mohioherio irio. You can even say, should I give the drinks while they are cold, or would you like them when they are warm? Mokonywa mai mahehu. Ni mokonywa mai mahehu kana mararu. Mai mahehu. Would you like, or do you want cold water or warm water? Ni mokonywa mai mahehu kana mararu. Mararu is warm. Mai is water. Nemo konywa is the act of asking, will you drink, or would you like warm or cold? Now, the next thing we are going to go ahead is maybe when you want to tell your guests to introduce themselves. They are the ones to introduce themselves. We are assuming in this situation we have a group of guests and there are many, and I am the one hosting them. So I would like you all to introduce yourselves. So, nemo kuhoyo o mundu arugame auge maritwa make. Nemo kuhoyo o mundu arugame auge maritwa make, or auge aumeteko. Now that is how we ask the guests to introduce themselves. Nemo kuhoyo o mundu arugame auge maritwa make, or auge aumeteko. Aumeteko, where are they from? Auge maritwa make. Auge maritwa make. Everyone should introduce, or is asked to introduce him or herself or themselves. Now, the next thing we are going to learn is when you want to direct your guests and tell them or to show them where the washrooms are. This is very common, especially when you have guests in your place, no matter in a function or at home or even in a meeting. Of course, the guests will always like to visit the washrooms, and most of the times they do not even know where it is. So they always come asking. This is how you tell the guest. Shioro, shioro, shiharia. Shioro are the washrooms. Shioro, shiharia. Haria, the toilets are there. Shioro, shiharia. The toilets are there. That is when someone asks, the guest asks, where are the toilets or where are the washrooms? Shioro, shiharia. Or you can even say nyumba ya fata e haria. Nyumba ya fata e haria. Or you can say wagwiteithia kwi haria. Wagwiteithia kwi haria. There are many ways to say this depending on how you prefer it. You prefer it directly, or you do not care and just say as it is. So you can say shioro or nyumba ya gwiteithia or nyumba ya fata. That's how we refer to the washrooms. Now we are coming to an end, and the other thing, or almost the end of this conversation, or the communication with our guests, mostly ends with appreciating the guest. Now, this is how we appreciate the guest. Nĩ thengio mũno nĩ gũka. Nĩ thengio mũno nĩ gũka. Thank you so much for coming. Or you can say, when you are a family, your husband and your wife, and maybe the man stands up and he's speaking on behalf of the family members. Nĩ twacokia ngatho nĩ gũka kwanyu. Nĩ twacokia ngatho nĩ gũka kwanyu. We appreciate your visit, or you are coming to our place, to our wedding, to our meeting. Nĩ twacokia ngatho nĩ gũka kwanyu. And finally, the last thing you tell the guests is, may God bless you. Ngai amũrathime mũgĩcoka mĩciĩ-inĩ yanyu. Ngai amũrathime mũgĩcoka mĩciĩ-inĩ yanyu. May God bless you as you get back home. This is how we end this video. And once again, I want to thank you so much for being with me, for being so loyal to this channel, and even for taking your time to follow me in this lesson. It was a bit long than I thought, but we are going to just leave it at that. I hope next time I'm going to be more quick, and I'm going to make the whole lesson a bit compact and short, as short as possible. Thank you so much, and may you all be blessed wherever you are. Thank you again, and we see us next time.